Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update your Intel graphics drivers. Now, if you know about computers, you know that the Intel graphics drivers are rubbish. Now, if you're playing on a laptop like I am, you will know that there's no way that you're stuck with the Intel unless you buy a new laptop. And if you're going to buy a laptop that's good for gaming, that's going to cost an extraordinary amount of money. Now, this is Minecraft with just the default Intel software. Now, I am recording, so that means the frames are going to be super low. So I'm just going to play on the flat world, but even then the frames will still be super low. I'll have to turn it down. Even when I turn it down to my lower settings, the frames are still low because I'm recording. And Minecraft is just terrible when you're recording. But yeah, you can see that my frames are like that. So they're not that bad. But yeah. You can see when I spawn stuff, it's not that bad. But you can see even on the flat world, this Intel graphics is just doing crap. Now this is with no Optifine installed, it's just nothing there. As you can see. And yeah, so you guys saw how slow my Minecraft ran. So what I am going to do, I'm going to update my Intel graphics card. What this will do, if you know Intel's still shitty, it's it'll increase my frames. So most people, they'll just type in device manager and then open it up. They would go to display drives, Intel HD graphics, update driver software, and just do this. Now this is bad. This will actually downgrade your driver, and that's not what you want. Sometimes if you're lucky, you'll upgrade your driver, but it won't even upgrade to the newest one. So it just upgrades if you have a really old one, just like default. Anyway, what you're gonna want to do, come to intel.com. And then just click menu, support, downloads and drives, and you can automatically find drives and software, and then just check system for updates. Now apparently I don't have Java, which is very stupid, seeing as I'm just playing Minecraft. But anyway, we're just going to go to a download center, save time, and find the category. So I'm just going to choose graphics. I have a laptop. If you're on a desktop, just click desktop, and then select your thing. So I'm on Intel 3rd generation Core. Just see properties. You can see here Intel i3 CPU, And yeah, so now I'm not exactly sure if I have this one or this one, but I'm just gonna click this one. And then I'm just going to click operating system to find out, right click computer, show operating system and your bits. I have 64-bit, and so I'm going to click Windows 7 64-bit. So I'm going to download drivers. And what matches is here, Windows Iris and HD graphics driver for Windows, and it was released 2014. So yes, this is a trustworthy and most probably the latest update. So I'm just going to click download. I'm going to download the zip file because it's easier. Don't download with the download manager, and then just let that download. And once it's downloaded, just send it to the desktop. It's not going to take very long. Yeah. And the reason sort of why my Windows 7 have barely any programs installed is because just like half an hour ago I just finished installing a new copy of Windows 7. First thing that came to mind, Minecraft. Second, and because it was a new version of Windows 7 that I installed, I had to install a new graphics driver. So I thought I might as well show YouTube how to do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly pause and come back when it's downloaded. Okay, so now I've downloaded it. I'm just going to send it to my desktop for easy access, and then because I'm going to use the browser for later, I'll just minimize that. What you're going to want to do, go to Device Manager, and then update driver software, and you got scammed. I'm just joking. Just go to want to click update driver software. Instead of doing it automatically, just browse your computer for the driver software. So click browse, go to desktop, and then click let me pick from a list of drivers on my computer. And then here, show compatible hardware. So here, Intel HD graphics. Click next, installing driver software. Now, if you got this far, well, basically, once this is finished, it's just say successfully installed driver, blah blah blah, and yeah. Don't worry if your screen goes blank a few times, just install it again. But now it says Windows has successfully updated your driver software, and click close. Now, you have successfully updated your driver. Now, if you have come up with any errors, the most problem one is you're stupid enough to think that you're stupid enough to not be on Intel watching this video, or you downloaded the wrong version. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. This is Troy, and I'm out.